Hi guys, I just shown you how to what's the back office for moving actually a theme that used to be part of ArcoLinux and is now part of ALCI. So we moved everything over. We've shown you the package build. It's on the repository. So basically, let's try it out. Yeah, can we try it out now, please? Okay, you can download everything from ALCI. So you go to here. And you go to the procedure, go through the procedure, watch some videos, and then it makes sense that you're going to download some things. And well, I should push it first to the internet, so let me do that first. Pausing here. All right, I pushed everything to the internet. So what you do as a user, you watch these videos, you follow the procedure, and I'm gonna git clone this to my desktop like this. You can go and we go to our desktop, right mouse click and then Ctrl+Shift+V, boom, there it is. And it's up to you. What should I do? There are 21 desktops. There is Sddm, there's GDM, there's LightDM. Choices you have to make. It's a big Lego box and all pieces are there. You decide what pieces you want. Me, Ctrl find Sddm. I'm gonna go for Sddm, but this is packages that stay after installation, right? So Xorg server, Xorg apps, NeoFetch, all good. VirtualBox guest utils, yes, since I'm gonna test it in VirtualBox. And NVIDIA settings, maybe, right? If you have the need for that. And here we have our new package, ALCI Sddm Plasma Archpaint. I do not want LightDM. I keep on with Sddm and I want to try out this little guy that we just created. Now XFCE is not my cup of tea today. Today I am not going to go for XFCE. NeoFetch is cool. The mirror list is okay for ArcoLinux. I can install more stuff and the keyring is there. The wallpapers are there. Chaotic mirror list, why not? I can install more kernels. 300 kernels, more or less up there. So can have some fun. And we're not going for Btrfs, but it could be possible if I wanted to. Well, I could combine, of course. Yeah, I could combine it with that. If I say just time shift here, grab there, time shift there. And suddenly, if I go up here and tell them to use the Btrfs ALCI configuration, boom, I have a Btrfs system. Simple as that. So it's a basic ArcoLinux system with Calamares configuration Btrfs by default. Don't have to do anything. It's set that way. It will have Sddm, but at this point in time, it does not have anything. I forgot. No, I didn't forget it, but Arch Wiki Plasma. How do we install Plasma? There's also the cheat sheet you can install of download from ArcoLinux, right? But just have a look. Install the Plasma Meta package, okay, blah, 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 blah. You read on. KD application group, big group, right? Huge group, 1 gig more. But so Plasma Meta is enough or the Plasma group, okay, fine. For me, it's gonna be Plasma Meta. There's not that much difference. I think 1 or 2 packages. You compare the both lists. Ctrl S. So, are we done? Well, read again. First Perl. I need this. This is a temporary fix that we need to do now until we got a new release of how's it called again? KDE core thing, Plasma thing. No, KPM core. That's it. We wait for a fix there, beginning of March. Nemesis wallpaper is coming from us. No, from the local repo. Sorry, this is local repo. Chaotic ring, all that. This is coming from Chaotic. The wallpaper is coming from ArcoLinux, and that's why we have this. No XFCE, Linux headers. What? Don't need it. VirtualBox, fine. Out. Base development. Do I need it? Probably not. Okay, out. And then we have our theme, Sddm Plasma Archpaint. We do have Sddm up here, so that's good. Xorg, okay, NeoFetch, VirtualBox. Network to get internet, and you just read, right? We read through the packages And we have the development version of Calamares, which is actually at this point in time the same. Decided to use the Calamares configuration of Btrfs. So by default it's not ext4, but Btrfs. That's it. We're all set. And now we're gonna create ourselves an ISO. We've not done any keys in this project because Carly, there was keys, and it's always an issue with keys, right? It's really tricky. So I'm not gonna install any keys on ALCI ever, which will avoid us lots of issues. But it's building. And since it's Plasma, it's gonna use a lot of K stuff. K bookmarks, K config widgets, K debus, key decoration, key info center, key new stuff, all K stuff. K wallets is here, and it keeps on going like that. Wondering if the Plasma stuff, yep, there is Plasma stuff here as well. Plasma Thunderbolt, Bolt, my Plasma workspace wallpapers stuff for Plasma. We're going to use Btrfs, check, Sddm Plasma Archpaint, check. And that's how you read things, how you check things. And we got here a problem, right? So the wallpaper is corrupt. All we need to do is just arrow up 40 done. It will re-download the packages. Here they are. The wallpaper kit is re-downloaded. That one is re-downloaded. Done. I just said something about keys, right? My words are still floating in the air. But we're off. That's more important. And then we get the ISO. Maybe better a second video or third video if you want to test that out. These green things are mine things, right? So colors show you something. Go into a terminal, read things in a terminal because people want to share some information. In this case, it's me making it green, so it really shows. There's so much things here like this one. They're creating a symlink here. Some things are just information. With other things, you have to do something. Samba is there. Wouldn't you know, right? Samba. Is it installed Samba? By default in Plasma. So this is choices of ArcoLinux. ArcoLinux says, you want to have in Cinnamon? You're going to get that package. It's a group thing. And if you don't like their choices, you have to install every single package on its own. And even then, these packages will have other dependencies. And you want maybe to install something that has 4 or 5, I don't know, dependencies. And you're stuck to that. So I was looking for Samba. So alphabetically, SMB client is here. It's always alphabetically, but it restarts somewhere in the middle again with an A. Right, here it starts again with an A, which means there might be another S somewhere here. Sddm is here. Okay, it's building already our ISO using our 8 processors, which is not, of course, correct. 8 cores, okay, not 8 processors. Let's pause the video here. Well, basically I can end the video here, right? The next video will be, let's boot it up in VirtualBox and see what's going on. All right, we'll do that. See you in the next video.